Are you tired of struggling with subpar angle grinders that burn out just when you need them most? Have you been wondering which angle grinder delivers the perfect balance of power, durability, and value? Whether you're a professional contractor, a dedicated DIYer, or just someone looking to tackle home renovation projects, finding the right angle grinder can make all the difference in your work efficiency and results. In today's comprehensive review, we're going to cut through the noise and examine the 7 best angle grinders on the market. I've personally tested each of these models across various applications, from metal cutting and grinding to surface preparation and rust removal. Let's dive into our countdown of the top performers, starting with number 7 and working our way to the absolute best angle grinder you can buy today. Number 7. Shal 7.5 amp 4.5 inch 12,000 RPM angle grinder. The Shal 7.5 amp angle grinder enters our list at the number 7 position. At first glance, this budget-friendly option seems to offer impressive specifications with its 7.5 amp motor delivering 12,000 RPM. During my testing, I found it handled basic cutting tasks reasonably well, especially considering its affordable price point. The ergonomic design includes a non-slip handle that provides decent grip during operation, which is essential for maintaining control during extended use. However, I quickly noticed some concerning issues with the Shal grinder. After about 20 minutes of continuous operation, the motor began to heat up significantly, requiring cool-down periods that interrupted my workflow. This thermal management problem makes it less suitable for professionals or anyone tackling larger projects. Additionally, the vibration level is noticeably higher than premium models, which led to increased hand fatigue during my testing sessions. The tool comes with a basic wheel guard that provides adequate protection, but the adjustment mechanism feels somewhat flimsy compared to higher-end models. I appreciated the inclusion of extra carbon brushes in the package, suggesting the manufacturer is aware they might need replacement sooner rather than later. The power switch is functional but lacks the safety features found in more premium options, which might be a concern for some users. When cutting through 1/4 inch steel plate, the Shal grinder managed to complete the task, but required significantly more time than the top performers on our list. 6. DongCheng angle grinder. Moving up to number 6 on our list is the DongCheng angle grinder. This Chinese manufacturer has been making inroads into the global power tool market, and their angle grinder showcases some promising features. During my testing, I found the 850-watt motor capable of delivering 11,800 RPM, providing sufficient power for most standard grinding and cutting applications. The ergonomic design with a slim grip circumference allows for comfortable handling, which I appreciated during longer working sessions. The DongCheng grinder includes some thoughtful design elements, such as the quick change spindle lock button that makes disc replacement relatively straightforward. The built-in carbon brushes are designed to prevent dust accumulation, which theoretically should extend the tool's lifespan. When cutting through metal pipes and grinding down welds, the performance was adequate, completing most tasks without major issues. However, I encountered several concerning quality control issues during my testing period. The power switch occasionally stuck in the on position, creating a potentially dangerous situation that required immediate attention. While this might be an isolated defect in my test unit, it raises questions about overall manufacturing consistency. Additionally, the wheel guard, while functional, required more effort to adjust than I'd prefer, making quick position changes somewhat cumbersome during complex projects. The vibration dampening on the DongCheng grinder falls short of industry leaders, resulting in noticeable hand fatigue after about 30 minutes of continuous use. This became particularly apparent when working on overhead grinding tasks, where precise control is essential. Number 5. ZFULVO Cordless Brush Angle Grinder Kit. The ZFULVO Cordless Brush Angle Grinder Kit secures the 5th position in our rankings, marking a significant step up in quality and performance from our previous entries. This cordless model impressed me with its remarkable 19,500 RPM no-load speed, which rivals many corded models while offering the freedom of cordless operation. During my testing, the brushless motor delivered consistent power throughout various applications, from cutting metal sheets to grinding down rough surfaces. Battery life exceeded my expectations, with the included 4.0 amp-hour batteries providing approximately 40 to 45 minutes of continuous operation under moderate load. The kit includes 2 batteries, allowing for extended work sessions without downtime. The quick charger brings a depleted battery back to full capacity in about an hour, which is respectable for this class of tool. I found the battery gauge particularly useful for monitoring remaining power during longer projects. The ergonomics of the ZFULVO grinder deserve special mention. The rubberized grip provides excellent control and comfort, while the overall balance of the tool helps reduce operator fatigue. At 4.2 pounds with the battery installed, it's lightweight enough for overhead work without sacrificing stability during heavy-duty applications. The tool-free wheel guard adjustment is smooth and secure, allowing for quick repositioning when switching between cutting and grinding operations. The ZFULVO kit comes well equipped with accessories, including cutting and grinding wheels, a side handle, and a sturdy carrying case that keeps everything organized. The electronic brake stops the wheel quickly when the trigger is released, enhancing safety during use. 4. CRAFTSMAN V20 Angle Grinder. The CRAFTSMAN V20 HE Angle Grinder earns the 4th spot on our list, demonstrating why this revitalized American brand continues to gain popularity among both homeowners and professionals. During my extensive testing, the V20 impressed me with its brushless motor that delivers up to 11,000 RPM, providing ample power for most cutting and grinding applications. The motor efficiency translates to longer runtime per battery charge, which I found particularly valuable during extended work sessions. The ergonomic design of the CRAFTSMAN grinder stands out immediately. The paddle switch is intuitively positioned and designed with user safety in mind, requiring deliberate activation to prevent accidental starts. The 3-position side handle offers versatility for different working angles and user preferences, which I appreciated when tackling awkward positions during my testing. At 5.2 pounds, it strikes a good balance between stability and maneuverability. One of the standout features is the tool-free guard adjustment, which allows for quick repositioning without interrupting your workflow. This seemingly small detail makes a significant difference when switching between cutting and grinding operations throughout a project. The spindle lock mechanism is robust and easy to engage, making wheel changes straightforward even when wearing work gloves. During my metal fabrication tests, these features combine to create a smooth, efficient working experience. Battery compatibility across the V20 Ti ecosystem is another significant advantage for those already invested in CRAFTSMAN cordless tools. While the tool is sold without a battery, it accepts any V20 Ti battery, with the 4.0 amp-hour or larger variants providing the best performance for demanding applications. 3. BOSCH GWS 845 4.5-inch 7.5 amp angle grinder. Securing the 3rd position in our rankings is the BOSCH GWS 845, a corded angle grinder that exemplifies German engineering excellence. During my testing, the professional-grade 7.5 amp motor consistently delivered 11,000 RPM, providing smooth, powerful performance across various materials and applications. The motor's efficiency was particularly noticeable when tackling tougher materials like cast iron and hardened steel, where it maintains speed under load better than many competitors. The slim grip design of the BOSCH grinder immediately sets it apart from bulkier alternatives. With a grip circumference optimized for comfort, I was able to work for extended periods without the hand fatigue that typically accompanies prolonged grinder use. Weighing just 4.2 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight for its power class, making it ideal for overhead work and precise applications where control is paramount. The 2-position side handle further enhances versatility and ergonomics. Bosch's attention to durability is evident throughout the design. The directed airflow system cleverly diverts dust away from critical internal components, significantly extending tool life in dusty environments. The ServiceMinder brush system is particularly innovative. It automatically shuts off the grinder when preventative maintenance is required, eliminating guesswork and preventing potential damage from worn brushes. During my 3-week testing period, these features inspired confidence in the tool's long-term reliability. The burst protection guard deserves special mention for its robust construction and quick adjustment capability. Unlike cheaper models that require tools for guard repositioning, the BOSCH system allows for fast, tool-free adjustments while maintaining excellent protection. Metabo 4 to 5 inch angle grinder. The Metabo angle grinder claims our runner-up position with a combination of innovative design and exceptional performance that nearly earned it the top spot. During my extensive testing, the 11-amp motor delivered impressive power, easily handling the most demanding cutting and grinding tasks I could throw at it. The patented flathead design is truly revolutionary, allowing access to tight spaces with angles as small as 39 degrees and clearances as low as 2 to 5/8 inches, something standard angle grinders simply cannot achieve. Metabo's commitment to safety is immediately apparent with features that exceed industry standards. The safety brake stops wheels in under 2 seconds, significantly reducing risk after releasing the trigger. The Metabo safety clutch effectively reduces kickback during material jams, a feature I came to appreciate when cutting through inconsistent materials. The non-locking paddle switch, preferred by OSHA and required by many safety regulations, provides immediate power cutoff when released, enhancing operator safety in emergency situations. The ergonomic design deserves special praise for reducing fatigue during extended use. Even when working on challenging weld joints in awkward positions, the balanced weight distribution and comfortable grip allowed for precise control without excessive strain. The vibration dampening is exceptional, allowing for longer working periods without the hand numbness that typically accompanies extended grinder use. At 5.1 pounds, it strikes an ideal balance between stability during operation and manageable weight for all-day use. Performance testing revealed the Metabo's superiority in cutting speed and efficiency. 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Angle Grinder. Claiming the top position in our angle grinder rankings is the DEWALT 20V Max Star XR, a tool that consistently demonstrated superior performance, versatility, and user-focused design throughout our rigorous testing process. The brushless motor delivers an impressive 9,000 RPM and up to 1,590 MW maximum work output, providing the power needed for the most demanding applications while maximizing battery efficiency. During my testing across various materials and applications, this combination of power and efficiency consistently outperformed the competition. Safety features on the DEWALT are truly best in class, with the anti-rotation system standing out as a game changer. This intelligent system actively senses rotational motion and immediately shuts down the tool if excessive motion is detected, significantly reducing kickback risk. The brake stops the wheel in seconds when the trigger is released, enhancing operator safety. These features provided noticeable peace of mind during testing, particularly when working with harder materials that typically increase kickback risk. The ergonomics of the DEWALT XR grinder deserve special mention. The balanced design and strategically positioned side handle provide exceptional control during operation. At 3.75 pounds, tool only, it's remarkably lightweight for its capability, reducing operator fatigue during extended use. The paddle switch is perfectly positioned for natural operation while maintaining safety, and the tool-free guard adjustment allows for quick repositioning without interrupting workflow. These thoughtful design elements combine to create an exceptional user experience. Battery performance exceeds expectations with the recommended 8.0 ampere battery, providing approximately 50 to 55 minutes of continuous use under moderate load. Final thought. So there you have it, our comprehensive review of the 7 best angle grinders on the market today. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, investing in the right angle grinder can significantly impact your productivity and results. Consider your specific needs, budget, and the insights from our testing to make an informed decision on which of these top performers belongs in your toolkit.